How to analyze online surveys on Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, Qualtrics, and other web-based platforms super fast using Julius AI as an AI model of data analysis. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So here we use Google Forms and we want to import the data in Excel and then analyze it using Julius AI. So here I just go to Google Forms and see the survey, and here there are the responses as you can see and the questions. So I want just to import this data. I will need to click responses and this will take me here. So I could just see responses as summary or question or individual as I wish. But what I'm interested in the more here is this green icon here. So I need to click and open. So I need to click and open the Excel in a spreadsheet like this. So I need to go to File and then I need to go to Download. And here I have different formats. We have Microsoft Excel, Open Documents, PDF, web page, comma separated values, tab separated values. I could just choose comma separated values, for instance, or Excel, so that I can import this in Excel format. So just select comma separated value. Here the Excel is already downloaded. I could also check this link, so I could just copy this link, or I could just go here to File and then share and share with others, and let's just keep it open, so not restricted, like anyone with the link, and copy the link here. So anyone with the link can view the data. So click done. And I will go to this platform, which is Julius AI. I open it and then log into it like this. I could just insert the link here and ask it to analyze this. Analyze this link. So here I could just choose upload file or Google Sheet. So I would prefer to upload the file. In case I have the link, I go to Google Sheet and then paste the link here. And for example, just include my name, for instance, and click connect. So here it is. And here provide descriptive statistics to the Likert or scale questions. So here it makes use of Python along with some libraries so that it can perform the analysis. So here it managed to extract the questions. So here top questions for each Likert scale, there were 54 responses, and the responses include a range of options from which respondents could choose, with agree and strongly agree being among the most frequent responses across the questions. This suggests a general positive attitude towards the use of social media content in language education among the respondents. You see here it provides the interpretation of the results. I could also import the CSV file, so that could be better. Go to Documents or Download and import the CSV file. And I will ask it to code the data and provide a codebook. So the first step in questionnaire analysis is data coding. You need to have a codebook. This means that you need to assign a label or a number to each response category, depending on the level of measurements, like categorical, ordinal, interval, or ratio variables. So here it just tells you also the steps that are being followed. So code the Likert scale responses, assign numerical values to the Likert scale responses for easier analysis, code demographic information, assign codes to categorical demographic information such as gender and semester, and generate a codebook. Create a codebook that details that. So here the codebook here is from strongly disagree to strongly agree. So here this was done correctly. I will ask it to provide the coded data in Excel to be downloaded. So I could just copy this codebook. The next step, I need to see the coded data in Excel. So I can also download it. You see here, download coded data. So let's just download this. And we're going to open it. You see here, this is the codebook. You see gender, you see the different Likert scale items and their codes, etc. So here you see age, semester, gender, and let's go back to the codebook to understand what those numbers mean. So here we have 6 and 7 agree and strongly agree. Gender male, 1, female 2, and other 3. Then semester we have freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, and graduate. And you see here the sequence is logical because a lot of people just make mistakes in coding these in a, let's say, illogical and unorganized way. But Julius AI does the coding in a good manner. And there are just few prompts. And it can also provide you with the coded data to download and check. So the next step, I can ask it to do, let's say, frequencies and percentages. Perform frequency and percentage analysis of demographic questions. You see here the frequency of female 34 and male 20 and percentage of female and male. So we have male 20 and female 34. So it's the same, and we have 62 and 37. This is like rounded 63 and 37. So this one is rounded, but it is accurate. Here I will ask it provide mean and standard deviation of each Likert scale category. Combine items together. So this is the overall mean score of all Likert scale questions, and this is their standard deviation, and this value suggests a moderate level of variability. So here you could see also the interpretation. The detailed mean and standard deviation for each Likert scale question are provided in the dataset. These statistics offer insights into the central tendency and variability of response for each specific question. This is in brief how you can use Julius AI to run basic statistics like frequencies, percentages, along with mean and standard deviation of surveys. If you have questions or remarks, do not hesitate to post them below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you enjoy this content and you find it interesting. Till another session, see you soon. Bye for now.